How's it going, guys? Bringing a quick video just about Netflix itself. Going to be talking about its recent kind of explosion, really, and kind of where I see it going, and what I think is going to happen here with the stock price as it nears $1,000 almost, which is insane. So with that, I do think there will be a split sometime down the line, maybe sometime this year. Um, Nothing really wrong with that. Just when the stock's trading at $1,000 a share, it could be more beneficial to investors to see something smaller, um, maybe something along the lines of a 4 to 1. I know that really ramp ups the stock price or the stock, um, how many there are in circulation, but with it coming over close to $1,000, 4 to 1 would put it at 250 for each share. So I do think that's something that could happen this year, especially if its growth keeps hitting like this is. On that too, the reason it's growth, surprising me, I'll kind of give my personal opinion and then kind of like the factual sides here. Um, we'll start with the facts, is just how their subscribers have skyrocketed. That is due to their live events. So recent big live events for Netflix was the Jake Paul, Logan Paul, one of the Paul brothers, I think Logan was fighting, or Jake, I don't know, one of the two. Um, Fought Mike Tyson. They had some of the football games on Christmas, and they're going to have more, I think, WWE, and maybe some UFC events too. I have the schedule on the next slide here, or the next web page. Um, that's like on the factual side why they're going up. A lot of people want to see these events live, and they pay for it, obviously. Get the subscription. They run deals too, to where it's like, hey, get the subscription now for the fight or the football game, and people will get it and they're on it for a year. Personally, I don't like going to 10 different places to watch NFL games. Not a fan. I think we used relatives like Netflix to watch the football games on Christmas. So that's kind of how it worked. But it's good for the business, obviously, good for the company. And just here's some of their live events coming up. I'm not really into WWE or fighting or anything like that, but it's got a big following, obviously. And here's the Christmas games that I talked about, which blew away expectations. And I remember too, back in November for the Jake Paul, Mike Tyson, that fight where Netflix was having some server issues, which is kind of funny. So as long as they fix those and moving forward, they'll look pretty good. Um, but yeah, just these three events alone are pretty big ones. Sports fan, uh, bias, obviously. I can't really speak on WWE, and Screen Actors Guild Awards. Cool. Everyone has their own niche. Everyone likes something. So a lot of people will check that out. But yeah, that's kind of the recent pop off here. I think the main point here is I do think a stock split's coming, which is really good. If you have a share or two now, you probably get 3, 4, 5 times as much here the next year or so, I'd say. But just something to look forward to. Thanks for watching.